on, guys? It is Brickgeneral here with a quick video, and today guys I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get Apple TV Plus for free. And this is a completely legal way. This is actually offered by Apple, but it's a link no one can usually find. So you guys just want to look up education Apple deals. These are actually a bunch of deals that no one knows about. They're all actually really good. And you want to go to the first link, the education pricing and student discounts. And when you go here, they have a bunch of deals, so you can save on Mac, iPad, blah, blah, a bunch of apps and stuff. But the one I'm talking about today, guys, is Apple TV Plus. If you are a registered college student and you put it in, you get Apple TV Plus for free. So you get it free as long as you have Apple Music. And now that may seem like a bad deal, but when you are a college student and you get Apple Music, it's actually 50% off, so it's only $5 a month. So then you can get both of them, which are usually together $15 a month, for just $5 a month. Both Apple Music and Apple TV Plus. Now, this is a limited time offer, so I want to let you guys know, if you guys are planning on getting this, get it as fast as possible because it's going to run out. But just letting you guys know, there are more deals if you guys like me to cover them. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.